I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken pool unlock in Fischl using an easy method. First, ensure your adventure rank is at least 20 and Fischl is at Ascension Phase 2. Next, collect 3 abyssal pearls and 1 oceanic scroll from the specified locations. Finally, head to the Whispering Shore near the ancient lighthouse to begin the unlock sequence. This straightforward approach will save you time and effort. To efficiently gather your abyssal pearls, focus on defeating the elite enemies found within the sunken grotto. These powerful foes have a high chance of dropping the pearls you need. For the crucial oceanic scroll, challenge and defeat the formidable deep-sea leviathan. It guarantees the drop. Remember to activate your elemental sight often, as it highlights hidden items and interactive points, making your collection much faster. Once you have all the necessary items, proceed to the Whispering Shore and locate the ancient altar. Interact with it to initiate the unlock sequence. You will then be prompted to present your 3 abyssal pearls and 1 oceanic scroll. After confirming your offering, a brief combat challenge will begin. Successfully complete this challenge, which typically involves defeating a wave of aquatic enemies, to finalize the Kraken pool unlock for Fischl. Unlocking the Kraken pool grants Fischl a powerful new elemental skill, significantly boosting her combat effectiveness. You'll also gain access to exclusive daily challenges within the Kraken pool, offering unique rewards and resources. These challenges are a great way to further enhance your characters. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals and resources to help you on your adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.